Rodin Gen 2 is here, a powerful AI tool that makes creating high-quality 3D models faster and easier than ever. Rodin AI, Hyper 3D released Rodin Gen 2, a premium 3D model generator for film, games, and high-end visualization. Its recursive part-based generation lets users break models into components for easier editing and 3D printing. Gen 2 offers 4x better mesh quality and 4K PBR textures, making it ideal for photorealistic results. Review. A Reddit user on r3D modeling asks if Rodin AI can produce a solid 3D base mesh for a shoe project. Users appreciate its ability to save time on sculpting and retopology. However, some are cautious about subscription costs and inconsistent output quality, especially textures. The review asks if creators have successfully used Rodin AI for complex shapes or preferred. Pricing includes a first month 50% off promotion. The creator plan is 15 regular 30 and the business plan is 60 regular 120. Both plans include unlimited private models, credit discounts, and the Rodin feature to fuse multiple images into a single 3D model. So, is Rodin Gen 2 the future of 3D modeling, or are there still challenges to overcome? If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay smart and stay prepared.